Liakat's English is all about your foundation in English. So how well you can improve yourself, and if you're finding a hub for English learning adventure, then Liakat's English is your choice. And secondly, there's also two parts of Liakat's English. There's also Liakat's English Kids, and Liakat's English basically focuses on IELTS. So if you are looking for a place where you can improve in reading, writing, speaking and listening, all the 4 modules of IELTS, then this is the place, because there are a lot of teachers who are experienced in different fields and as well as all the fields, because all the modules are not similar, or you can't just say that all of them are just same. No, because you need expert in each of the fields and not everyone can do everything. So Liakat's English is unique because of its ability to focus on all the 4 sectors separately and individually, and it helps you to grow in a way that you just don't have only the classes, not only your daily classes, but on the side you also get a consultancy, which you do not get in all the training centers or all the English centers. So this is one of the best way that you can improve your English, and it is actually situated in Lalmatia, which is near the Bank Asia. So that's all about it.